In this video, I will show you how to find and get a wallet address on Binance. You can use the wallet address to receive payments from other people who can top up your cryptocurrency account. If you haven't registered on Binance yet, I will leave a link to the video in the description with detailed instructions. After registration and after confirming your account, you need to select the wallet icon on the Binance website. Then open the spot section. In this section, you will be able to find your assets on Binance. The main exchange coin on Binance is USDT. Using USDT, you can buy any cryptocurrency. To find out the wallet address, you need to select USDT from the list. Then click on the deposit button. At the top, you will see the name of your coin. After that, select network. Each network has a separate wallet. Therefore, if your network and the sender's network are different, you will not be able to receive the payment to your account. At the beginning of the deposit, you need to clarify with the sender which network they will use to send funds. One of the most popular networks is TRC20 and BEP20. For example, I will choose TRC20. After selecting the network, you will receive your wallet. In order for the sender to successfully top up your account, you need to copy the name of your wallet and show it to the sender. The sender also needs to know the network of this wallet. In my case, it is the TRC20 network. The person who wants to top up your account must select the coin name USDT. In the address section, the sender should paste your copied wallet. After that, the sender must select the wallet network, the TRC20 network or another network that you selected when receiving this wallet. After that, the sender will be able to top up your USDT coin. USDT is a stable coin, but you can also invest in other cryptocurrencies. Select Trade and Spot. There you can buy any cryptocurrency using the USDT coin. The second way to get a wallet address, I will show you using the example of another cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. The method does not differ from the previous one. Select the cryptocurrency in the spot section and click on the deposit button. After choosing a network, you will be able to receive a wallet. After that, you will be able to copy the name of the wallet and inform the sender. The sender must paste the copied wallet during the deposit. In some cryptocurrencies, the network is detected automatically. After that, the sender will be able to send you the Dogecoin. Also in the spot section, you can exchange cryptocurrency for USDT or any other coin. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.